Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you guys the moment I painted my phone case, and for that I needed to remove my pop socket first. I'm carefully removing it because I don't want to ruin the adhesive and I still wanted to use it in the future. And then I just wiped out the rest of the adhesive, took out my phone and wiping it out again from dirt and dust. And this is me applying tape because I wanted to paint the edges first. I wanted to cover the edges completely with paint, so for that I needed a frame, and I'm just framing the phone case with washi tapes and a scalpel. And this is the paintbrush that I use. It's from DaVinci. The acrylic paints that I use are from LUKAS. And yeah, since this was also my first time painting on a silicone hard case, I found out that it was quite hard to obtain an opaque color. So to obtain the color as shown in the video, I used up to like 3 layers. After I let it dry, and then I just remove the masking tape. And for this step, you definitely want to let them dry first before removing the masking tape. If not, it would just ruin the framing. And then I cleaned unwanted spots. And I also coat them with an acrylic varnish so that I can actually paint the rest in peace. And so the colors that I use for the patterns were actually pastel colors. It was pink, it was cream, lavender, white, yellow. And I didn't actually have a plan of what I wanted to paint. I just knew that I wanted the pattern to be simple, to be abstract, and to have a pastel color theme. Another tip is that you wanted to paint with the same color one at a time. The reason is you don't want too much water on your paintbrush, because water would just make the paint more transparent. And well, for me, I didn't want a transparent color. I wanted the color to be opaque. So here I'm using just pure acrylic paints. I didn't mix them up with water. Here I'm adding a little Memphis touch. And so far it turned out like this. Like I told you guys, I didn't have a plan, so I didn't like the bottom part at all. It was just too much for me. So at one point I decided to remove them. And I removed them easily with a normal nail polish remover. And so yeah, here's me fixing my mistake. I painted the same basic pattern, but just this time I wanted to make as simple as possible. And here I'm adding a few flowers. And I also wanted to frame the camera. And as you can see here, I'm layering the colors because I wanted the color to be opaque as possible. I then added a few brush strokes, cleaning weird or unwanted parts, and just dry them up with a hair dryer because I was just too impatient. After I dried them up, I coat them with the acrylic varnish. It has a glossy matte finish, and also cleaning the phone case. And yeah, here's the final result. I actually like how it turned out, and it also doesn't feel weird in my hands, maybe because of the varnish. I would link every product that I use on the description below, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next video.